Craving your favorite meal and want to spread the cost without the stress? You can now use Afterpay for your Uber Eats orders. First things first, you'll need to be eligible. You'll need to have an Afterpay account that's in good standing, be at least 18 years old, and have a valid credit or debit card linked to your account. Open your Uber Eats app and pick out your delicious meal from a participating restaurant. As you add items to your cart, you'll start to see the total cost build up. When you get to the checkout screen, simply select Afterpay as your payment method. Afterpay will then show you a breakdown of your payment plan, typically dividing your order into 4 equal installments. Review the details, including the due dates for each payment. Once confirmed, your order is placed, and the first payment will be due immediately. The remaining payments will be automatically deducted from your linked card on their scheduled dates. And that's it. You can now enjoy your meal now and pay later, making food delivery budgeting a breeze. You can easily manage your Afterpay orders within the Afterpay app, keeping track of your upcoming payments and ensuring you never miss a due date. Happy ordering!